There are two accelerometry channels we will use to record the response of the right and of the left hand. Those are channels A3 and A4. And those are the devices. So in order to install them, we just fix them on the index fingers on the right and on the left. So the channel 3 goes on the left index like this. And then during each response, like a click on the bottom of the mouse, is well identified with accelerometry recording. The first accelerometry channel and the second one is here, and I fix it now with adhesive tape on the right index. Let me remind you that channel 3 and channel 4 are both active and selected as accelerometry channels. And now I will demonstrate if it works and what kind of activity should be detectable and recordable during a click. I restart the recording because it didn't work at once. Okay, so the oscillogram is there, and the other two channels are for the actimetry. I increase the gain, I set it to automatic, and now I will click with the left hand on the key of the mouse. So those two paired bursts are typical for the accelerometry response during a mouse click. Another click, again. So that's what is the response we need. And the same thing for the right hand. Click. Another. Two rapid clicks. As you see, the channel 3 and the channel 4 work well to record the manual responses, which is necessary for our experiment.